Let's talk about face creams and treatment creams today in today's video. If you're here and you think a face cream is the same thing as a treatment cream, you have completely gotten it wrong, because the manufacturer and the chemist did not make these two different creams for the same purpose, and I will explain to you. All I'm trying to say is this: a treatment cream was specifically designed for a targeted skin concern. Okay, it is not the same thing as a face cream. All right, even though they will write it on it that you can use it on your face and stuff, but the fact that you think that you can use it every day, and because of that you don't need a face moisturizer, which is the second thing that I'll be talking about, you have completely gotten it all wrong. Now let me break it down for you so you can understand what is a treatment cream and why is it different from a daily face moisturizer. A treatment cream is a particular cream or product that has been formulated by the manufacturer to target a particular skin concern. Why? Because it has actives, additives, ingredients inside it formulated by the chemist in order to make sure that that targeted skin concern is what it is fixing directly. Now, when I'm talking about skin concerns, I mean hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, you have issues with anti-aging, dry, sensitive, allergic irritations, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, apart from that, you also need to pay particular attention to the ingredients that makes a cream a treatment cream. You will usually find things like exfoliating acids in general, and of course lightening agents in what we call a treatment cream. Now, once you take a tube cream like that and you just think, okay, because you've gotten this one tube cream, you don't need a daily face moisturizer, that means your skincare routine is going to be lacking in what it is supposed to have in order to cushion up, moisturize, and stay hydrated all day. Because the treatment cream only serves its singular purpose, and that is probably if you buy it for hyperpigmentation, for your wrinkles, for your dry, sensitive, allergic irritation, and the list goes on. A daily face moisturizer should include ingredients like hyaluronic acid, squalene, peptides that are naturally occurring skincare ingredients that offer moisture and hydration to the skin. Because every day when you wake up from your sleep or you wake up from the bed, your skin is losing moisture and it needs to be replenished day in, day out. So if you don't have a daily face moisturizer, that is what it is called. It just falls under the umbrella of face cream. It does not mean that that is what it is, okay? If you are not using anything with any of these ingredients that makes up a daily face moisturizer, your skin is going to be dry, dehydrated, your skin is going to start wrinkling out, and of course you're not going to get that milky, soft, creamy-like kind of complexion. And I know that is what you are going for. So that is why you need, in addition to a treatment cream, in case you buy one, you also need to get a daily face moisturizer. Personally, I have 2 daily face moisturizers and 1 treatment cream, and that is because occasionally when I have acne flare-ups and I have hyperpigmentation, I have a treatment cream to combat that issue. But every other day, when I know all I want is just daily skin maintenance, moisture retention, hydration, and I want my skin to stay plump and juicy like this picture here, I always use a daily face moisturizer. Now I'm going to be reviewing for you 2 different treatment creams that I think is very, very common right now. I made my research, and right now on TikTok, they are the 2 common treatment creams out there. And if you're looking for anything to combat a particular issue with your skin, you will want to consider these 2 treatment creams first, and that is the Kojivit Ultra Gel Cream, formulated with alpha-butyl niacinamide glycolic acid and of course kojic acid. From the ingredient list of this treatment cream, for example, we already know that it is a lightening treatment cream, and that is because the manufacturer formulated it in order to aid and assist in healing any kind of skin reaction that has triggered your melanin into overproduction. I mean, if you have issues like skin discoloration due to acute sun exposure, hyperpigmentation, melasma, you're going to need a Kojivit ultra gel cream with all these ingredients inside it. Now when you start using it every day, I will tell you the application, don't worry. When you start using this cream every day, you should notice a visibly brighter skin tone, a visibly improved texture, and of course the gradual fading of all these discolorations that I've just mentioned earlier. Now when it comes to the application of the Kojivit ultra gel cream, I would advise you to use it as a spot treatment. So that means if, for example, I woke up to this small bump on my face today because I have makeup on, I couldn't treat it, but at night when I'm about to go to bed, I would use the treatment cream only on that spot here, boop, like that. The mistake a lot of people make is because they already assume that a treatment cream is a daily face moisturizer, they start using it all over their face, and that means that the skin barrier is going to be harmed, distorted, thrown out of balance, and you're not going to like how your skin is going to start feeling because it will be inflamed, okay? And you really don't want that. So if you use a treatment cream as a spot treatment cream as in spot treatment, it only makes sense if you use it that way. You would be targeting exactly where the irritation is, where the discoloration is, where the hyperpigmentation is, and you will be fixing it on that same spot. It will not be affecting the good areas of your face that don't need that exact harsh kind of attention. And that is the difference between using a treatment cream as a spot treatment or as a daily face moisturizer. The second treatment cream that I have for you guys today is the Laroche Posay Cicaplast Vitamin B5 Soothing Cream. I don't know how to pronounce the word, I'm sorry. I've tried, but that is the best that I can come up with. This cream is a skin protectant, non-greasy cream. That means if you have associated issues with inflammation, redness, allergic reaction, you just moved to another country and that dryness is affecting your skin really bad, and you're having acne flare-ups, eczema flare-ups, this particular cream is going to be very good for you. It is formulated especially for dry, sensitive skin, but I beg to differ that if you have normal combination skin, you can also use this cream, especially if you use it on the areas where the issues are as a spot treatment. So this particular cream has scintilla extract, vitamin B5, and shea butter. So the aim of this cream is to soothe the area where the inflammation is, calm it down, okay? And the more you put that cream as a treatment cream, as a spot treatment on the areas where the issues are, you will start to see a very huge difference. So for example, if you have eczema flare-up around your nose area, you will only take the Laroche Posay Cicaplast Vitamin B5 cream and you will apply it on your nose area, okay? There's no need to cream it all over your face or mix it with any cream. Just use it directly on the spot. The cream already knows what it is formulated to do. It will go there. The moment it can notice and see that this is a reaction that I am designed to fix, it is going to do its job, all right? So keep it there and keep using it probably every 2 days or 3 days, depending on how well your skin can tolerate it, and you will see a huge difference. So if you ask me, those are the 2 treatment creams right now that are trending, and that if you have any of these skin reactions that I've just explained to you, you can get either one of them to use it for. Now let's talk about daily face moisturizers, because you can't rely on a treatment cream only and expect to see huge results, especially with the overall skin tone, overall creamy texture, and overall beautiful milky soft skin that you want, okay? So the best way to approach this is, of course, to have one treatment cream and one daily face moisturizer. So you can choose from the variety of 4 options that I'm going to be giving you today for your daily face moisturizer. And I'm going to talk about this particular one that is a favorite of mine, and that is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream with hyaluronic acid and a very beautiful cushion that just allows the skin to feel moisturized and hydrated all day long. Like, I use only a pea-sized amount all over my face, and my skin ends up looking like this all day. I don't have excess sweat coming out from my face. It is not greasy, it is not tacky, it is lightweight, it absorbs easily, and I absolutely love it. If your skin is normal to combination spectrum, you might want to look at getting the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream as a daily face moisturizer option for you. The second one is the Cosrx All-in-One Advanced cream. This one has hyaluronic acid and snail essence as its chief ingredients. Now, from the look of things, these two creams have one thing in common, and that is what? Hyaluronic acid. And that is because every day without fail, you need to make sure that you are giving your skin hyaluronic acid if you want it to stay plump, if you want it to stay juicy, if you want it to stay milky, soft, and beautiful. And this is because the skin naturally has hyaluronic acid. So if you add more on it topically, the skin is going to thank you and say, oh my God, Tope, we love hyaluronic acid. Thank you so much for taking care of us this morning. Your skin is going to say thank you, and by saying thank you, it will start to look more beautiful and appealing. So the Cosrx all-in-one advanced cream is very beautiful. The only reason why I prefer the Isntree to the Cosrx is because the Cosrx is very tacky, a bit greasy on the skin, and I honestly don't like the slimy nature of the cream. So for me, it was not something I could repurchase. So I only tried it once. Of course, it fixed inflammation, redness, and all the good stuff, and it helped to plump and hydrate my skin, but I did not enjoy its daily application process. But for you, if your skin is dry sensitive because of how sheeny, how juicy, how slimy this product is, your skin is going to love it. So you can get this one if your skin is dry sensitive in spectrum. Next one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and this particular cream, I've reviewed it like 3 times. It keeps coming up because this is the only cream that I recommend for my oily, acne prone bodies, and that is because your skin already has enough sheeny, it has enough oils. You only want something that has a lot of water-like consistency. That means by the time you apply it on your face, in like 30 seconds to 1 minute, you should not feel that weight that your skin feels every time you apply a face cream. So if your skin is oily to acne spectrum, you will want to go for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream because it has hyaluronic acid and it is a water-like kind of consistency. Water just means it is going to be lightweight, it is going to be fast absorbing, and it is going to plump and hydrate your skin all day. So you can use these daily face moisturizers in addition to your normal serum, to your normal cleanser, and to your normal treatment cream. Don't worry, towards the end of today's video, I'm going to list out what your routine is going to look like if you want to follow this particular process. The e.l.f. Polypeptide Cream with squalene, hyaluronic acid, peptides. This cream is holy grail. If your skin has been suffering from a lack of moisture, you need to get the e.l.f. Polypeptide Cream. And this is the second daily moisturizer that I particularly use, especially when it is towards the Harmattan season and I just feel like I need extra moisture, I need extra hydration, and I need my skin to feel extra juicy. It has squalene, which is very, very good for the skin, peptides, which will help to enhance your skin's youthfulness, and of course hyaluronic acid, which is going to enhance and allow your skin to remain plump and juicy for a long period of time, especially if you use it at night. Because personally, I've realized that once I use my normal moisturizing creams in the morning and I still use that same moisturizing cream at night, I don't feel that long-lasting hydration when I wake up in the morning. But not with this e.l.f. If you want something that is very, very hydrating and you stay in a very humid, dry weather, you're going to need the e.l.f. Polypeptides moisturizing cream with squalene, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Of course, again, let me reiterate that the one thing all these products have in common is hyaluronic acid, and that is the chief ingredient that you need in your daily face moisturizer every day. So if your skin is dry sensitive, go for the e.l.f. If your skin is oily, acne prone, go for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. If your skin is dry, sensitive, normal, and you just want extra shine and sliminess, go for the Cosrx all-in-one advanced cream. But if you're like me and your skin is normal to combination, go for the Isntree Hydro Boost, Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream. Now, what is your skincare routine supposed to look like when you want to add these two products to your routine? First, you're going to go with your cleanser. Of course, we already know that is the most important step in your skincare routine. The second is your toner. Third is your essence if you use any of the two. Fourth is your serum, And then after that, you would go in with the daily face moisturizer to act as a cushion. Next will now be your treatment cream. Now, if you're using the Kojivit Ultra Gel Cream, I would advise you to use it at night because it has lightning agents that might trigger harmful sun exposure, and you really don't want that, okay? So you will use your treatment cream after your daily face moisturizer, and then lastly, you will probably just go to bed. But if it's in the morning, this routine is for night. If it's in the morning, you will use your cleanser, your toner, your essence, your serum, your daily face moisturizer, but you don't need a treatment cream in the morning. It's not necessary, okay? You will now go in with your sunscreen. So that is what your routine is going to look like, both for night and for day, if you are incorporating a daily face moisturizer and a treatment cream into your routine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which daily face moisturizer are you using currently? And have you tried any of the treatment creams that I reviewed for you guys today? Or which other one have you added to your skincare routine? Currently, I'm using the Kojivit Ultra Gel Cream as a treatment cream for my hyperpigmentation. When I do get it once in a while, it doesn't happen now, but before I used to have it. And I use the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream as a daily face moisturizer. And I also got the e.l.f. Peptide Cream for my face. So those are my own staples. Let me know what your staples are. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you follow my other channel, The Girly Mind, because a new video is going to pop up very, very soon.